Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Primary School Duppy. Full story. There was a little girl who lived in Independence City, Portmore, and attended Independence City Primary School. Before they built the school, it was a graveyard first, then a cane piece. There were always stories going around that Duppy was troubling the students that attend the school, especially in the bathrooms. One day, when the little girl was in grade 5, that was in 2002, she and her friends jokingly locked a girl in the bathroom for her to scream while they laughed. The little girl that was locked in the bathroom screamed that she saw a big tall man with no face. There was a difference in her cry, so the children opened the door and saw her on the ground gasping for air. The little girl said that the big tall man with no face came over her and started to strangle her until her eyes were rolled over. The teacher heard the commotion, and as she sent the children to the classroom, she warned them never to lock anyone up again. To this day, that school is still haunted.
Like and follow for more.